Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to the channel. So we're still in Zakynthos Greece and we are now in Vasilikos. So if you go down that way, you've got Zakynthos Beach, which is where the turtles are. Really, really beautiful. Down this way is towards Port Roma. And then this way is towards like Banana Beach and St. Nicholas. This is a really nice little restaurant here. We're just going to walk to the shop. So tavern, snack bar, breakfast, lunch and dinner. It's got a little play area. So this part of the island is a lot more chilled and relaxed. Very, very nice part of the island. Probably one of my favourite parts of the island. So if you want sort of peace, really, really beautiful beaches, then I definitely recommend either coming here for the day or if you're looking to book in this area. It is a little bit further out if you do want to go to more of the hustle and bustle, like Kalamaki, Laganas, and even to Seville, where we were the sort of end part of the trip. But this for us is perfect. If you just want to relax, have a nice book, chill out, it's very quiet. And the beaches, like I said, are probably the best. We've got like Banana Beach here as well. I think that's just been voted one of the best beaches in Zante for its beach bar. You've got our favourite St. Nicholas, got Port Roma, and Zakynthos Beach, which is also really famous for the turtles. And then obviously you've got all the gorgeous olive trees. And walk on the edge because we're on the road at the moment, not really a pathway. There is no walkway. Yeah, there is a lot of villas, but they're quite spread out as well. So it's quite nice if you stay somewhere. It's more apartments here rather than just big hotels. You're going to have your little area, and then the next one's probably going to be sort of maybe like a 5-minute walk or something. So you are really spread out. And look at all of these. This is all olive groves. So just to the left, you've got ceramic. It's where you can go and see how they make all their plates and stuff. I think it's like a little museum. So that's just about a 5-minute walk from where we're staying. And then we're just heading to the supermarket, which is about a 10-minute walk. So it is doable, but if you are in this area, I'd probably recommend having like a scooter, quad bike, or if you've got a car, you can see a little bit more of the island. Still really nice and warm as well. Our apartment's really lovely. We've got a nice little view. Somewhere that we can just enjoy the last little part of our holiday, because the beginning bit, it was a little bit more action-packed. We were in Laganas, which again, I think is for all ages, but it is typically more of the sort of, you've got all the bars, clubs, and everything's open till like 4 o'clock. It's got a restaurant here. Hi. So this is to St. Nicholas Beach down there. So you go down there and you'll get to St. Nicholas Beach. Another one that's close by.
Hey.
Hello. I think we've been to this restaurant, haven't we? No. We went to one round here. But anyway, another restaurant there. I think today's a national holiday, so some things might not be open.
We went to this one.
Okay, this one. Yeah. Oh yeah, Dia Camillo. So yeah, we have been to this one here. Let me know if you've been to any of these restaurants or been in this area. Can't remember what's down there. Is that too?
We just changed from that board right there.
Ah, there we go. No, it's all covered up. Okay, and we're just coming to another little cafe, like restaurant. parking. So if you are coming with a quad or a car, there's somewhere to park the vehicle. This one definitely looks open. Get fresh orange juice. And then this is the little supermarket. And there's another little place just up ahead. And that does like coffee and again pastries and everything.